Welcome to Maths for All. I'm Aisling Flynn. This is Natural Numbers 3.1, Odd and Even Numbers. This is Jane. And this is Johnny. And this is Granny. Every Thursday Granny goes to bingo and has a bag of sweets. Every Friday she gives what's left to Jane and Johnny. So Jane and Johnny want to share the sweets evenly amongst them. They would like to have the same amount each. So let's share these. So one for Jane, one for Johnny, one for Jane, one for Johnny, one for Jane. Look at that. Jane has 3 of the 5 sweets and Johnny has 2. Johnny's not so happy. The children do not have the same amount. The sweets are not divided evenly. So we say the number 5, and there were 5 sweets, is not even. Therefore, 5 is an odd number. 5 is odd. What if there were 8 sweets? Let's see. 1 to Jane, 1 to Johnny, and so on. Okay, so both children are happy. They have 4 sweets each. The children have the same amount. The sweets are divided evenly. So we say that 8 is even, or 8 is an even number. A number is even if it can be divided exactly by 2. Some of the even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. And we showed how 8 can be divided exactly by 2 with 2 amounts of the same, 4 and 4. A number is odd if it cannot be divided exactly by 2. Some of the odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and 13, and so on. We saw that number 5 cannot be divided exactly by 2, where you get the same amount for Jane and Johnny. So, is 32 odd or even? Let's test it. Divide 2 into 32. 2 into 3 goes once with 1 left over. 2 into 12 goes 6 times. So 32 divided by 2 is 16 exactly. So yes, 32 is even. Is 235 odd or even? Well, we test that by division. We divide by 2. 2 into 2 goes once. 2 into 3 goes once and 1 over. 2 into 15 goes 7 times, but there's 1 extra, remainder 1. Okay, so 2 does not divide in evenly. So 235 is odd. Now, the quick way of answering those 2 questions would have been to look at the last digit. The last digit of 32 is 2, which we know is even, and therefore 32 is also even. The last digit of 235 is odd. 5 is odd, and so 235 will also be odd. Here's your glossary for this lesson. You can pause and take note. Thank you for listening.